In this video, we are going to show how to sign off on the quality checks for a part number that has been ordered. In your system settings, down here at the bottom, you see that the no final quality, no quality before outside service, no quality after outside service. Depending on what you have checked here, it will automatically add a quality process to the workflow on every order. To give you an example of this, if I go back to our sample machine part, we see we have 3 work orders. If I look at work order 146, we see the bandsaw has been completed and then all 3 CNC machining operations have been completed. Deburr has been completed, and now it's at quality. This quality was automatically added to the process flow based on our system settings. You'll notice that in the engineering master, there is not a quality cell to put in here. So the quality is automatically added. And when you have one that's added, whether it's before it goes outside service or after it comes back from outside service or before the part ships, this quality will have to be marked off as complete before the part can be shipped. So we're going to show you how to sign off on the quality. Now in your employees. If I go and look at the quality person, we see that quality selector is on. And so for the individual that is going to sign off on quality checks, this quality selector must be set to on inside of the employees. Rights and privileges. We'll go back to the home page. Back to this part we're looking at. So we're looking at work order 146. I'll show you this work order. And so, we will scan this upper right-hand barcode on the work order. So here's work order 146. We will scan this barcode. So we'll come back over here. We're going to click on Orders, Scan into Work Order. I'm going to click that upper right-hand corner. Now since I have Quality Selector turned on in the employee settings, it will come to this screen, allowing me to select Quality. When I select Quality, it brings this page up. The reason this page is shown is some parts have more than one quality operation, and so it allows you to pick which quality operation you're signing off on. So I'ma click this quality here as it's the only one for this order. And we'll say it'll bring up an order here or a form that allows me to type in how many parts one checked. So for this instance, we're gonna say I checked 2 parts. And then did the part pass? If you say no, then it will not move it and sign off that the quality has been complete. We're gonna go ahead and answer yes in this operation. So when I hit clock out, it comes back to here. Now if I go back and look at that part, here's work order 146. We see that quality has now been signed off on. And so that's how to sign off on the quality operations regardless of where the quality operations at inside of your workflow.